When you're starting a new career, there's a lot to think about. And one of the biggest decisions you'll make is deciding what kind of work environment fits you best. Are you looking for a technical hands-on job, a management position, a customer support and consultation role, a leadership role in planning and strategy? At a John Deere dealership, you don't have to make that choice right now, because John Deere is a company that gives you the experience you need to discover the career you want.
I enjoy being a technician just because it feels good when you know something comes in broke and you see it leaving because you fixed it.
Having a different project to work on every day, new challenges every day.
Meeting new customers, you always meet someone new, and know that someone's depending on you to fix their machine and do it right.
Couldn't ask for anything better. I mean, on the road you get the freedom, you get to see the customers, you get to see their operation. It's a great life.
John Deere began leading the ag industry with the invention of the steel plow. Now, we're leading the industry into the future with precision ag technology and connected support capabilities. And we couldn't have come that far without our team of educated, hard-working, forward-thinking dealer technicians who have been there to support our ever-advancing technology.
Yeah, all the technology is really interesting to learn.
They always come out with new things, and it never gets boring.
I've enjoyed seeing all the technology changes over the years. Here we are today, that laptop is as important as a wrench or a screwdriver. When I started, we didn't have auto track. Now we can remote in and diagnose from our desk. Yeah, it's been amazing.
The idea of what a technician used to be has changed over the last 20 years. We are not just here to turn wrenches and replace parts. We are a very highly motivated diagnostic group. We teach a lot on computer systems.
Farming now is gone from 0 to 100 as far as technology.
Advances in technology aren't slowing down. John Deere dealers need technicians who are knowledgeable, ambitious, and looking to the future when it comes to equipment, technology, and their careers. Today's technician may be tomorrow's sales professional, service manager, integrated solutions manager, location manager, or any other position at a John Deere dealership.
When you complete this program, it doesn't just force you to be in one position. You're able to actually open up and go to multiple positions. It enables you to go up to management positions or even higher.
If you're going through the program, you don't have to stay a technician. It will help you advance, like myself.
And as you get better, more efficient, and work your way up through the career path, obviously wages are going to change and betterment too.
Job security is not going to be an issue. Techs are in high demand.
Locations all over the world are looking for a qualified mechanic.
You can literally go anywhere in the world as a technician. There are just tons of positions available through that.
Starting a career like one of these is as simple as enrolling in JD Tech, a 2-year program that includes classroom and lab experience. John Deere dealers sponsor JD Tech students, providing internships and a job after graduation. Most even offer financial assistance programs.
There's a tremendous amount of tool support, buying tools, tuition supporting that.
Best part was that getting sponsored through a dealership and then them paying for tools, tuition, left me a lot more money for me to spend and live off of.
You could go through any diesel program, but you won't have a job lined up when you get out. And going through the John Deere program, you have that job lined up before you go into school.
During the program, you'll learn all about electronics, computer diagnostics, and John Deere equipment, so you can jump right into the job that's waiting for you at the dealership.
Whenever somebody comes to us and asks about JD Tech, I highly recommend it because of the overall experience and training that you get out of it. You cannot get that anywhere else.
Actually, I've recommended quite a few people into the program because I felt like it was such a good thing, and the dealership is so much more than what I thought it would be as far as a career goes.
We have schools and dealerships programs across the United States and Canada where you can start your career off right.
Job security, there's John Deere dealerships everywhere. You can't go anywhere without seeing a green tractor.
You get a visit with the farmers, and you come to find out these farmers depend on you to make their living, and it kind of makes you feel integrated into the farming community and a little more important than just showing up from 8 to 5.
Our main goal and our technicians' main goal is to take care of that customer. Even though we're technicians, we're just like the farmers. We help feed the world. If we're not here to take care of them, they're not here to take care of everybody else.
Find a job you love and build your career at a John Deere dealership. Contact your local dealership or one of our nearby JD Tech schools today.